Huh? Oh, hello. It's me, Cici. I'm in the process of grocery shopping. Care to come along? Great. Let's go. First, let's learn some words you will hear at the grocery store. Repeat after me. Apple. Apple. Banana. Banana. Milk. Milk. Bread. Bread. Basket. Basket. Price. Price. How much? How much? Where is? Where is? Good job. Let's ask the store staff a question. Excuse me, where's the milk?
The milk is in aisle 3.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Let me know if you'll need anything else.
Will do. Now let's try it together. Excuse me, where's the milk? Now you say it.
The milk is in aisle 3.
Your turn.
Great! Now let's go ask for the price. Hello, sir. How much is this apple?
The apple is $1.
Great. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Repeat after me. Hello, sir. How much is this apple?
The apple is $1.
Nice. Game time. Can you find all the items? Welcome to Find the Items Challenge. Your mission is to carefully look at the picture of the busy grocery store, filled with students, and find these 5 hidden items: bread, milk, apple, bananas, a shopping basket. They're all hidden somewhere in the scene. Look closely. Pause the video if needed. Are you ready? Do you see any of the items in this picture? What about this one? Excellent. Here's your challenge. Next time you go to a store, say, "Excuse me, where is the?" and "How much is the?" Practice with a friend, family member, or even by yourself. You can do it. Thanks for practicing with me on Learn English with Cici. I'm Cici, your teacher. Keep learning and see you next time. Bye.